Exactly everyone, welcome back to Kids Zone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Today, we are diving into the world of fitness and nutrition with a review of a popular product, Whey Protein Vanilla Powder. Let's get started. Here's a close-up of the Whey Protein Vanilla Powder we are reviewing today. This is a high-quality protein supplement that's been gaining a lot of attention in the fitness community. First, let's talk about the packaging. The Whey Protein Vanilla Powder comes in a sturdy, resealable bag that's perfect for keeping your protein fresh and easy to store. The design is clean and informative, with all the essential details right on the front. Now, let's take a look at the ingredients and nutritional information. Each serving of this whey protein powder provides 24 grams of protein, 5.5 grams of BCAAs, and 4 grams of glutamine. It's made with high-quality whey protein isolate, which is known for its fast absorption and effectiveness in muscle recovery. One of the most important aspects of any protein powder is its mixability. No one likes clumps in their shake, right? So, I tested the mixability of this whey protein vanilla powder with both water and milk. Let's see how it performed. I used a standard shaker bottle and added 1 scoop of the protein powder. First, I tried it with water. After a few shakes, the powder dissolved completely, leaving no clumps or residue. Next, I tried it with milk, and again, it mixed smoothly and easily. This is a big plus for me. Now, let's talk about taste. Taste is subjective, but I found the vanilla flavor to be quite pleasant. It's not overly sweet, and it doesn't have that artificial aftertaste that some protein powders have. It's creamy and smooth, making it enjoyable to drink, whether you mix it with water or milk. Here's a quick tip: if you want to elevate the flavor even more, try adding a banana or a spoonful of peanut butter to your shake. It adds a nice twist and makes your protein shake even more delicious. Now, let's talk about the effectiveness. I've been using this whey protein vanilla powder for a couple of weeks now, and I've noticed a significant improvement in my recovery time. My muscles feel less sore after workouts, and I feel more energized throughout the day. It's definitely helped me reach my fitness goals. Overall, I'm really impressed with this whey protein vanilla powder. It ticks all the boxes: great mixability, delicious taste, and effective results. If you're looking for a high-quality protein supplement, I highly recommend giving this one a try. You can find the link to purchase this whey protein vanilla powder in the description below. If you've tried this product, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more reviews. Stay healthy and keep pushing towards your fitness goals. See you next time.